Morning class 7th student. Today we will start your chapter 5 of computer, advanced feature of Excel. What the chart can be defined as a pictorial representation of data. It is easier to make comparison of data from chart and analyze growth. Now in this chapter we will see how to make different sort of chart. So what is chart? Chart can be defined as a pictorial representation of data. It is easier to make comparison of data from chart and analyze growth trend among different range of relationship. Chart help us to define more accurately data analysis of the information. Chart help us to define more accurate analysis of the information. When we insert a chart, a special window called data sheet display the data. When we are inserting a chart, a special window that is known as the data sheet display the chart data. If there is a change in the data, the chart is updated automatically. Whenever we make changes in the data, it is updated automatically. Now what are the component of chart? Chart area. This include all the object and element in the chart. All what a chart area is include all the object and element in the see number 1. This is number 1 is chart area. Second is value axis. The y axis on the vertical axis in the chart. What is value axis? The y axis or the vertical axis in the chart is known as value axis. See point number 2. This is point number 2. Point number 3, category. The x axis or horizontal. Third is category. This point number 3. This is your x axis. Data series. These are the bar or other element which represent the data value. What is data series? These are the bars or the other elements which represent the data value. See point number 4. These are the bars. Fifth, axis title. The heading given to x and y axis on the chart. What is axis title? The heading which we give to the x and the y axis on the chart. They help us to know about the data being depicted. Now see point number 5. Plot area. The window within the chart area which contains the actual chart, including the plotted area, category axis, value axis, and data series. What is plot area? The window within the chart area which contains the actual chart, including the plotted area and values. Point number 6. This is point number 6. Seventh is legend. Thus, this explains the color, symbol, and pattern assigned to data series. What is legend? It explains the color, symbol, and pattern assigned to the data series. Chart title. It explains the aim and content of the chart. Chart title. It explains the aim and content of the chart. Grid lines. These may be either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the type of the chart. These extend beyond the plotted area of the chart and make it easy to interpret. Grid line. They may be horizontal or vertical lines. It depends on the value of the chart. Now see legend. Point number 7. This is point number 7. Legend. This is the legend. Point number 8 is chart title. Point number 8, chart title. And point number 9 is grid lines. These are the grid lines. So this is the what is the component of the chart whenever we define any chart in the your MS Excel. Now commonly used chart. They are basically 4 types of commonly used chart. One is the column chart, bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. Column chart. This is most commonly used chart type for displaying the data in the form of vertical bar. Here the data which is there displayed in the form of vertical bars. It is used to illustrate changes in the data across a period of time or to draw comparison among different data items. It is used to illustrate changes in the data across a period of time or to draw comparison among different data items. Categories in the column chart are organized along the horizontal x-axis and values along the y-axis. The values, the x-axis and y-axis represent the title which is given to these axes. Second is bar. Bar chart displays the data in the long rectangle form, also called bar. What is bar chart? It displays the data in the long rectangle forms, also known as bar. These are placed vertically or horizontally in the chart area. A bar chart is used to draw comparison between individual items. This bar chart is used to show the comparison between the individual item. In this chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal y-axis. In this chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis, y-axis, and values are dependent on the horizontal or x-axis. Second is the line graph. This chart is in the form of line as the name itself says. As the name says, line graph. These are in the form of line. It is quite similar to plotted graph on a graph paper with its value on the x and the y-axis. It is just like plotting the bar graph which with its value on the x and y-axis. A line chart has connecting dot which display the trend in the data over a period of time. A line chart is having connecting dots which display the data trends in the data over a period of time. Now pie chart. Like the name says, the chart is inspired from the pie cut in pieces. Pie chart, it is inspired from the pie which is cut into pieces. This chart displays data in the form of circle that make up the data series to the sum of item. This chart displays the data in the form of circle that make up a data series to a sum of item. It can show only one data series at a time and is used when we have to emphasize on the significant element. It can show only one data series at a time and it is used when we have to emphasize on the significant elements.